There's still plenty of time this summer and fall to schedule a unique vacation. Many of us have heard about Las Vegas and Reno, but one unique suggestion is an Old West vacation trip to Nevada. The oldest continually operating thirst parlor in Nevada is the Genoa Bar and Saloon, providing a real Old West experience since 1853 for movie producers and cowboys. Presidents Ulysses Grant and Teddy Roosevelt had a drink at the Genoa.
Travel Nevada has developed road trip itineraries that begin in major cities like Las Vegas and Reno and take you out into a part of Nevada you probably haven't seen before. We have road trip itineraries online at travelnevada.com.
Whether you hit the road in a car, bike, ATV, or even on a horse, Travel Nevada has a trip for everyone.
Visit Genoa, travel the loneliest road in America, visit Great Basin National Park, check out Black Rock Desert, visit Cathedral Gorge State Park and the 7 Magic Mountains art installations, or my personal favorite, the ET Highway.
To find out more, check out each route at travelnevada.com or by using the hashtag TravelNevada. Mark Twain once wrote about the Genoa, and despite many a rough and tumble evening, the rumors of someone being killed in the bar are untrue.